Say hello to modern living, academic success, and explorations around the Big Apple only at Turtle Bay, New York. Whether you're riding solo or moving in with friends, this property offers charming ensuite and non-ensuite options for all needs. Curl up in your cloud-like bed for dreamy snoozes, steps away from spacious closets for all your stylish fits. Focus sessions are sorted with the ideal study nook. Satisfy midnight hunger pangs with the refrigerator and microwave in your apartment. With all-inclusive utilities, say goodbye to the stress of bills. Crush assignments in the study rooms, then breeze through laundry with on-site facilities. Speedy internet ensures uninterrupted study and entertainment. Plus, the on-site management is always at your service. The commute to college is quick cardio when the City University of New York and Berkeley College are both a short walk away. The entire city is just a few steps away, with buses from Lexington Avenue and East 48th Street or the subway from 51st Street Station. So, grab your spot at Turtle Bay, New York today through amberstudent.com.